The state-of-the-art driver assistance system of Kia vehicles includes cameras and radar sensors for driving and parking safety, and ultrasonic sensors to measure the distance between the vehicle and pedestrians. If the sensors are covered with foreign substances such as snow or rain, recognition functions may degenerate and performance may be limited. For safety, we recommend maintaining these sensors clean at all times. Maintain the car's exterior free of foreign substances by frequently washing and cleaning it. If the video is not being displayed clearly due to foreign substances or the sensors are not working properly, use a dry cloth or microfiber towel with liquid cleaner for lenses to gently wipe the camera lenses or ultrasonic sensors. Note that spraying with a high-pressure water jet or using a rough cloth may damage lenses and ultrasonic sensors.
Kia. Movement that inspires.